3 to 6 months from now, you could have a second passport or just a regret. What actually happens after you invest $400,000 in Turkey? Do you just get a passport and that's it? Or is there a system, a timeline, and hidden advantages most people don't even know about? In the next 8 to 10 minutes, I'm going to walk you through the exact reality step by step so you can see what your life could look like after this decision. Assalamu alaikum, I'm Sajid Ali Hyder, CEO of Multi Mulk Consultancy, and we help global citizens structure their wealth, secure second citizenship, and invest smartly in international real estate. This is not a promotional video, this is a clarity video, because once you understand what happens after the investment, your decision becomes very easy. Most people focus only on the entry. How do I invest $400,000? Smart investors focus on the outcomes. What do I get? How fast do I get it? What changes in my life? Let's break it down step by step. So the step 1 is property purchase legal structure. Once you invest $400,000 in Turkey, usually in real estate, the first thing that happens is you become a legal property owner. What are the facts? The minimum investment is $400,000, must be government approved property, official evaluation report is required, title deed is issued in your name. This is very important because unlike many other citizenship programs, you are not donating money. You are owning a real asset. For example, one of our clients purchased 2 apartments in Istanbul, both rented within 2 weeks, generating monthly income while their citizenship process started. Step 2. Citizenship application starts. Immediately after purchase, your citizenship file is prepared and submitted. So what does the process include? Title deed registration, certificate of conformity, biometric submission, family documentation. And what is the fact? Your entire family, spouse and children under 18 are included in the same application, and the timeline is application submission usually happens within 2 to 4 weeks after property purchase, but only with multi-mulk. So the step 3 is waiting period. This is where most people get anxious. Average processing time is 6 to 8 months. But here is what people don't realize. You are not waiting empty-handed. Your investment is already working for you. Property can be rented. Market value can increase. You can visit Turkey anytime. Now here is step 4. Citizenship approval. Once your application is approved, you officially become a Turkish citizen and you receive Turkish ID card, Turkish passport, full citizenship rights. Turkey allows dual citizenship, so you don't have to give up your existing nationality. You now have access to a second identity, legally and globally recognized. Here is the step 5, life after passport. This is where the real transformation begins. Global mobility. You can travel up to 115 countries visa free or visa on arrival. US E2 visa opportunity. As a Turkish citizen, you become eligible to apply for the US E2 investor visa as well. And let me give you the real example. One of our clients used their Turkish passport to establish a business in the US, something that was not possible before, and he earned financial advantages. For example, earn rental income in foreign currency, hedge against local currency devaluation, diversify your assets internationally. And what is the market insight? In Istanbul, certain areas have been 60 to 100% property appreciation over the past few years. And when we talk about lifestyle and security, you now have a home in a G20 country, access to healthcare and education which is free, a backup plan for you and your family. Now it comes step 6. After 3 years, here is another major advantage. You are required to hold the property for only 3 years. After that, you can sell your property, reinvest, or continue earning rental income. So what is the strategic point? You can recover your capital while keeping your citizenship for life, even generation to generation. Let me tell you how smart investors think. They don't see this as a $400,000 expense. They see it as asset acquisition, citizenship acquisition, global positioning. 3 benefits, 1 decision. So the real question is not what happens after you invest. The real question is what happens if you don't. Missed opportunities, rising prices, strict policies. So if you are serious about securing your second passport and global future, now is the right time. Like, subscribe, click the link in the description, type Turkey or message us on WhatsApp, and we will guide you step by step what exactly suits you the best.